This is Ramnathan, Managing Partner, Abhivaran Plumbing Company. We are into building metals business. To be very specific, we are dealers for plumbing metals, bathroom fittings, ceramics, and flooring tiles. We started in the year 2002 as a small retail shop of about 300 square feet. Now we have two big showrooms, one at Velachery and another at Kodambakam. We have our warehouse of about 1 lakh square feet at Ramapuram. From a small shop now into a multi-channel sales partner for leading brands including Hindware, Jaguar, Kohler, Groha for bathroom fittings and tiles. Multi-channel, I meant that we sell to end customers as retail sale, then we supply to retail shops who then resell to retail customers, then we supply to builders, contractors, including Casa Grande, Apasami, L&T, Purvankara and many more.
Hi all, this is Ranganayagi, partner of Abhivairavan. Earlier our strength was supplying bath fittings and plumbing materials to builders as we are wholesalers. But now we have opened two showrooms, each around 10,000 square feet, mainly to concentrate on retail on main roads like Kodambakam and Velachery. Our strength is our infra. We always work on that. Other than huge godown, we have 100 plus workforce and 15 four-wheelers and plenty of two-wheelers, mainly to concentrate and address retail immediate supply. After pandemic, we take 360-degree virtual tours of our showroom for clients to explain products and Zoom calls, Zoom meetings and presentation and running through products, explaining products and WhatsApp calls and all, and taking bookings online. That was a huge hit. Customer loved that sort of professionalism from us. They don't have to come to showroom. They can book the orders and close the orders through online. Earlier team was either on spa or big parlors. But customers seeking steam option for their flat or individual house. We offer small steam which can be fixed in any normal flats or in any normal bathrooms. Customer prefer wellness over utility or in designs. They prefer wellness after pandemic especially. And we always ask our existing customers to refer or whenever they see any new constructions or ongoing constructions to refer us, to refer Abhivairavan. If they are satisfied with the present service. They do that always and it worked a lot. That is a wonderful free of cost promotion. Thanks.
After a successful journey in plumbing metals, bathroom fittings and tiles, recently we started a kitchen and wardrobe business. We always believe in win-win formula. That is, it is not just for the sellers to win, even the customers must win by transacting with us. Thank you.